Hi guys, this is Esther from noipegeeks.com. OPPO has officially launched the latest Reno 10 series 5G here in the Philippines. Today, we're going to unbox and share with you our first impression of the Reno 10 Pro 5G. This phone sits between the base model Reno 10 5G and the high-end model Reno 10 Pro Plus 5G. It's perfect for those who don't want to spend a lot of money on the Pro Plus version, yet at the same time want more than the Reno 10 5G. Despite the differences in prices and specs, the Reno 10 series have the same highlights: camera capabilities, fancy and sleek design, long battery life with fast charging, and of course, reliable performance. Okay, now let's unbox. Right off the bat, it comes with a free clear case. It also has the SIM ejector tool, safety guide, and quick guide. Then we have the device. The one that we got is a glossy purple color, but it's also available in silvery gray. The box also comes with a USB Type-C cable and OPPO's 80-watt SuperVOOC charger. And now let's talk about the features of the OPPO Reno 10 Pro 5G. The key highlight of this year's Reno lineup are the cameras. Known as a portrait expert, the Reno 10 series come with dedicated telephoto lenses that are made to take great portraits. It has a 32-megapixel telephoto portrait camera that uses a Sony IMX709 sensor. A first in the series, it's meant to take better portraits of human subjects. This is easily enabled by pressing the 2x zoom button on the camera app, and you can see how it focuses on your subject for a much better and noticeably cleaner shot. The phone also has a camera app that lets you take better portraits with a distinct blurred background. Simply enter portrait mode, apply cool filters like bokeh flare portrait, AI color portrait, and a whole lot more. The built-in portrait modes work really well, providing a unique look to your photos. Aside from that, the black and white mode easily creates a dynamic effect, while the AI color portrait cleanly separates the subject by turning the background into monochrome. You can also play with the retouch slider, and of course, change the depth of field to adjust how blurred you want your background to be. But you feel like the shot you've taken has a really strong or weak background blur? You don't need to worry, as you can easily adjust it in the Gallery app. Of course, let's not forget to talk about the 50-megapixel main camera, which is packed with optical image stabilization. It takes bright, vibrant, and natural-looking photos in broad daylight. Its capabilities are better shown in low-light scenarios. With night mode enabled, things look much better and Instagram-ready. This feature also works with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, so you can stay in the trend with your 0.5 shots. For selfies, there's the 32-megapixel ultra-clear selfie camera in the front, which comes with autofocus to make sure that your face and subject are always in focus. Speaking of videos, the 50-megapixel main camera on the Reno 10 Pro 5G can shoot up to 4K videos at 30 FPS. One of the key things you'd immediately love about the Reno 10 Pro 5G is its design. The unit we have here is a glossy purple color, which really gives a statement as it looks extra stylish thanks to the glossy glass panel and attractive camera layout. There's just something about this purple colorway that looks mature yet hip. More than the looks, the Reno 10 Pro 5G feels really comfortable in the hands. Plus, we're not gonna lie, the curved sides and front and back definitely add class to the overall look of the device. Reno 10 Pro 5G has a gorgeous 3D curved AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a large 6.7-inch screen, silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support. This makes watching movies and videos really enjoyable and immersive. Plus, you can shoot and edit content with precision using the screen. Watching shows and playing games definitely look good on this display. The phone is equipped with a Snapdragon 778G processor, which provides a reliable day-to-day performance. Plus, with the generous 12 gigs of RAM, multitasking is a breeze on this device since it's similar or even more than most flagship phones offer. There's also the generous and fast 256 gigs UFS 2.2 storage, so you can shoot videos and edit clips with speed. Speaking of reliability, the Reno 10 Pro 5G has 4600 mAh battery with OPPO's own battery health engine that helps extend the battery lifespan. According to OPPO, the battery can last up to 4 years, and its capacity can provide 1.5 days of standby time. It is paired with a speedy 80-watt SuperVOOC charging technology. This lets you charge the device up to 48% in just 10 minutes, and a quick 5-minute charge providing around 2 hours of gaming. The OPPO Reno 10 Pro 5G is available in the Philippines for a price of 29,999 pesos. You can get it at OPPO stores online and offline, and at authorized stores and retailers nationwide.